Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall solve this problem what you can see in your screen. So we have two operators x and y which satisfied this relation where this k is a scalar, a number, and we have to prove this equation or relation. So let's see. Before proceeding, I have earlier shown that e to the power x y e to the power minus x can be written as y plus commutation xy plus 1 by 2 factorial x xy plus 1 by 3 factorial x commutation x xy and so on. Fine. We know that. Now we have here we have x commutation y is equal to small ky. So you can write x commutation x y would be equal to x commutation ky, that is k x commutation y, which is basically k square y. Similarly, we can write that x would be equal to, look, this portion is k square y, so we can write x k square y or k square xy, that would be equal to k cube y. Fine. And we can find like this. So x x x would be equal to k to the power 4y and so on. So finally we can write that let's give this equation number 1. So using equation 1 we can write e to the power x y e to the power minus y as e to the power minus x is equal to y plus xy plus x. Would be equal to y plus xy would be ky, then it would be 1 by 2 factorial k square y, and it would be 1 by 3 factorial k cube y. The next term would be 1 by 4 factorial k to the power 4 y and so on. You can see. So we can further write 1 plus k plus 1 by 2 factorial k square plus 1 by 3 factorial k cube plus 1 by 4 factorial k to the power 4 plus the rest of the terms times y. Now look, this is e to the power k, so we can write it as e to the power k times y. So finally we are getting that e to the power x y e to the power minus s is equal to e to the power ky, which we were supposed to prove, and we have proved it successfully. So hope you have understood the problem. Earlier I have proved this relation. You can check the video in my channel. I will try to put the link in the description section. And if you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, share this video, and also please consider subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot.